everyone, let's talk a little bit about configuring and adding sensors into the dashboard. Before getting started, I wanted to mention that all of our Getting Started guides are available on our website's Help Center. Simply click the Help Center, go into Getting Started, and Getting Started guides for all of our hardware items will be available. Okay, back to the video. In order to add or configure any sensor, go ahead and click the Add button up at the top. The Configure Sensor panel will open, and we'll need to add a couple of details in order to add our sensor. For company, you'll notice all of the companies that you're a member of will be available in the dropdown. You'll want to select the company that owns the hardware and will be responsible for paying service fees moving forward. For sensor name, you want to select something that's clear, concise, but informative. You'll notice my sensor name includes details about my customer, my gas type, and my tank size. For sensor naming, you may want to reference any procedures that your company may already have in place. If you or your company may not have a standardized naming procedure in place, we have a few examples in our Help Center of how to create one, or feel free to contact Pulsa support if you need some help getting started. Now for sensor ID and sensor serial number, this information is going to be found on the QR code of your sensor. And here's a tip. If you're using the Pulsa app, you can use the scanner in the app to scan the QR code, and the sensor ID and sensor serial number will populate for you. Once your information is complete, go ahead and click Initialize Sensor to add your sensor to the dashboard. And that's it. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on more dashboard features. Thanks.